You've heard of Italy, the land of pizza, pasta and passionate culture. But have you heard of the island it's been hiding just off its coast? Welcome to Sardinia, a place where the Mediterranean sparkles with an almost unreal shade of blue. Ancient legends come alive in the stones beneath your feet, and adventure waits around every corner, promising unforgettable memories. It's a destination that whispers secrets to those willing to listen. Sardinia is where jaw-dropping nature, from pristine beaches to dramatic mountainscapes, ancient secrets etched into mysterious ruins, and luxury vibes that rival the world's most exclusive destinations all collide. And the crazy part is, most travelers completely miss it entirely. They flock to the mainland, unaware of the gem that lies just a short journey away. Let's kick things off underground, shall we? Our first stop is Neptune's Grotto, a cave so surreal, so otherworldly, it feels like stepping directly into the pages of a high fantasy novel. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and beauty of this subterranean wonderland. Towering stalactites hanging like frozen waterfalls, echoing chambers that amplify every whisper, and crystal reflections dancing on the still water, all combine to make it one of Europe's most mind-blowing natural wonders. It's a place that will leave you speechless, contemplating the power of nature. Now, after our underground adventure, let's breathe in the charm of Bosa, a riverside village painted in the softest of pastels, a true feast for the eyes. The colorful buildings reflect beautifully in the Temo River, creating a picture-perfect scene. Lose yourself in its winding cobblestone streets, discover breathtaking hilltop views that stretch for miles, and soak in an atmosphere that feels wonderfully frozen in time. Bosa offers a glimpse into a simpler way of life, a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of the modern world. Craving luxury and a taste of the high life, Costa Smeralda, or the Emerald Coast, delivers it on a silver platter, offering an unparalleled experience of opulence and relaxation. Think pristine white sand beaches that seem to stretch on forever, turquoise waters so clear you can see straight to the bottom, and a level of Mediterranean glamour that could easily rival the famed Amalfi Coast. This is where the world's elite come to play, and you can join them. Next on our Sardinian adventure, mystery and history dramatically collide at Nuraghe di Barumini, an imposing fortress built during the Bronze Age by the Nuraghic civilization, standing tall and proud for over 3,000 years, a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of its builders. Nobody knows exactly how it was constructed with such precision, or what its true purpose was. But one thing is certain, you'll definitely want to witness this incredible feat of ancient engineering and immerse yourself in its enigmatic atmosphere. And finally, to cap off your Sardinian journey, we arrive at Cala Goloritzé, a breathtaking UNESCO-protected beach that's the very definition of paradise. Prepare to be mesmerized by its untouched beauty and tranquil atmosphere. This hidden gem is nestled between towering cliffs, only accessible by a scenic hike or a relaxing boat trip, making it feel like a truly exclusive escape, and it's totally worth the effort to reach its shores. The reward is a beach experience unlike any other. Sardinia isn't just a place on a map, it's an immersive experience, a journey for the senses, and a collection of unforgettable moments that most people unfortunately overlook. So, hit subscribe if you're ready to ditch the crowded tourist traps and explore the authentic, less traveled side of Italy that no one else is telling you about. Let's uncover the hidden treasures of Sardinia together.